Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and while that other video is loading, I thought I'd make another one because I will use this. I make a lot of lake maps and charts, and I always put a compass on it. So let's just delete that compass. Now I do have a little bit of bug in this macro. It brings in the compass, but I have to zoom in or out to get it to pop. I don't know really what's going on but this does work. I just brought another one in there. And you could put it in the center of the page, you could put it top left with some other macros that I've made. So to make this macro, let's just delete it here. I'm going to not use mine because everybody's got it under tools, macros. I'm going to go to macro manager and I'm going to make another one called compass 2. So go to tools, macros, start recording. It's going to ask you for a name. I'm just going to call it C1 for compass 1. Press OK. Now everything you do is being recorded. You can't open it even though it's a Corel file. I don't think it'll work, but you can import it. And we're going to import the compass. Press import. It's already got a compass in the sheet, so it's given a little bit of problem. But then you go to File, Macro, and Stop Recording. Now let's just delete it. I've got the Macro Manager open. We're going to go C1, and I've got a bug in there somehow. I must have done something, but it's still there. So let's try deleting it and bringing in another one. Yep, there's a bug there, but the other one works, so I know it works. Let's just delete it. Let's go with compass. And there again, I have to zoom in and out. So I'm not a macro programmer. There's probably something that could fix that, but that's still a big help. You could bring in this and have it anywhere you wanted and make it any size you wanted. So let's just delete those two and press it again. And there it is again. It's not there, but you just turn your mouse wheel one way or the other one, and you'll know it's there. So I made a hotkey of O, the letter O, and there's our compass. O is about the only key I could think of that wasn't being used, because you don't want to take away some of your other hotkeys like C for compass. Anyway, play around with that. It's kind of fun. I mean, I've got several. I make a lot of clocks. I use a diamond. There's my diamond shaped. I've got a diamond already in black. And it's right there. So I can bring it in. When I brought it in, I had it set at the bottom of the page. So I don't have to sit there. I don't have to sit there and draw that diamond every time. I can make a clock with those diamonds. And just some other macros that I built into this, into my Corel. Let's get rid of this. Everybody knows if you hit P, you hit center of the page. Well, what if you hit the escape key? Well, that's a macro I built for top left center, and I've got a video on that. It put it right at the top left corner. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.